anything that a leader has to do differently that when they're dealing with a crisis that you can share with us?
Oh, absolutely. Crisis management is a style that, it's one, you have to be, you got to be a little bit aggressive in order to be a leader anyway. And I tell people all the time, you got to have kind of a few loose screws that you want to take on this type of environment, be responsible for people, be responsible for organization, be responsible for, things that you don't know that are happening and that will happen. And so in a crisis, what a leader has to do is really pull back and focus on the problem at hand. And when you want to see me at my quietest moment, it is in a crisis. Because, screaming and shouting and those kinds of things, you're just making a crisis. You're just making it worse than what it already is. And so you have to let your team members see that you are in control. And what I mean, in control of yourself and in control of your own emotions. And then that's when you have to have great listening skills, because that's something nobody teaches in anybody's school or college, a class on listening. And if I could do something in retirement, that's what I want to develop, a class on listening.
We're gonna hold you to that.
Because that's when I really pull back and I really listen to the team members, and I never let a person leave a meeting with me without giving me their thoughts and opinions. And before I close any meeting, I go around the table and I say, okay, what do you think? I make sure everybody speaks up. I make sure everybody's whatever message that they have or thoughts that they have is elevated to the table, because sometimes you have people that talk a lot and sometimes you have people that don't talk at all. And so I make sure that I hear all the points around the table. And then I throw out what ifs to everybody around the table. What if this, and what do you think? And if we do this, what do you think the outcome is going to be? And so at the end of the day, crisis management is just becoming a really good coach of forcing the team members to come up with a solution. Because now they have to do it. I'm not the person to solve this. They have to do it. I might know the answer, but I got to force them to solve it, because if I'm not around, then they'll never learn how to solve or manage through a crisis. And so that's a really good way to help team members grow and develop, is during a crisis, because now you got to show people that you can do something that you don't know, that you don't believe you can do, and force them to get outside of their comfort zone and to see that they can solve a problem without having to come to me. And the better you can manage a team or help a team solve problems or a crisis, then the more successful you're going to be, as a leader. Because if they can manage your crisis, most of the days the sun is going to be up, and then that's easy. And that's how you develop a successful team.